Is this the American sports car that puts other sports cars and supercars to shame? What's up, guys? My name is Brenton Borg, and this is the brand new Chevrolet Corvette C8. The front end is very angular and aggressive with the body lines coming to a point up front. Chevy really wanted this car to be the most aerodynamic car they've ever produced, so all the body lines, intakes, every opening has heat exchangers right behind them. Everything has a purpose to help this car go fast. Adding to the new mid-engine design are the brand new headlights. And below the lights, the C8 sports these huge vents with these hexagonal design with this very visible carbon fiber inserts. Interestingly enough, Chevy added a button onto the key fob and underneath the driver's side vent to open up the hood so we can see that beautiful V8. Oh, that's right, it's in the rear, force of habit. But while we're onto the front trunk, very spacious. You can fit a couple bags, a couple different jackets, and it's very easy to close. All you gotta do is push it down, you get 2 clicks, and it's closed. So speaking about the engine here, pressing the button to open up the hatch as they call it, you got this really nice engine cover, completely see-through, so you can see that brand new 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8. It comes with 495 horsepower with the Z51 package and 470 pound-feet of torque, doing the 0 to 60 sprint in under 3 seconds. And the exhaust pipes down below finished in this square design that kind of looks exactly like the C8 with a square stance. It looks awesome, and especially with the Z51 package, which has the upgraded sports exhaust, it sounds amazing. So, to put all that power that LT2 engine makes, Chevy decided to team up with Michelin and utilize their Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. With 245s in the front and 305s in the rear, these tires are really grippy. Now, moving on to the steering wheel, square design. It's one of the most talked about features besides, again, the mid-engine. Finished in this Alcantara. It has a supercar feel to it, especially with these metal paddle shifters. You get this nice red indicator on top to know which way the wheel is pointing. Below, you get all your buttons such as cruise control, climate, all that, and you get this Z mode button, which we'll talk about later in the review. Moving on, you got your infotainment screen, which has everything like weather, Bluetooth, and it also has a marketplace. So say you finish doing your track lap with this car and you need to buy new brakes and new tires. You can go into marketplace and buy them all right then and there. Down below you have your drive selectors that are an interesting take on the push button drive system. So you got your perk, which is just a regular push. You got reverse, which you pull up, neutral, drive, and even manual, so you can use the paddle shifters. Right next to that, you have your traction control button. You have the front lift system, which we'll show in a minute. And you can also even open up the front camera option, which shows you 360 degrees. So Chevy wanted to make this car as aerodynamic as possible, so it was a no-brainer to hide the door handle. And one of the interesting things is that inside this very nice blade with the intercooler back there, there hides this little button. Right as you press it, the window rolls down, you can open up the car.
Yeah, start it. Okay, so like what are the top 5 things you like about this car, especially running it for about a month?
I mean, I love the interior, the exterior, the exhaust.
Yeah.
Just love how it drives. It's a perfect car.
Awesome. Is there anything you wish you could possibly change on it, or is there just all around just perfect?
So perfect.
Yeah. Sorry, what is one of the biggest driving features or just features of the car that you use the most, would you say?
I mean, I love the Z mode. Makes it louder, performance better.
And that was the brand new Chevrolet Corvette C8. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was really fun to make. This is a crazy car. I love the exterior. The interior is super nice. Even just being a passenger, it's an exhilarating drive. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this car. What would you change on it if you could change anything? But other than that, go follow me at branston.borg on Instagram, and then go follow Z51_C8 on Instagram. I'll link them down below. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.